Upgrade your Toyota Corolla 2012 to 2016 E170 E180 with the Ainavi Car radio and experience the future of in-car entertainment and connectivity. With its seamless wireless connectivity, powerful performance, energy-efficient chipset, effortless installation, advanced safety features, and precision navigation, Ainavi sets a new standard for automotive technology. Transform your driving experience today with Ainavi. Installing the Ainavi Car radio in your Toyota Corolla 2012 to 2016 E170 E180 is a breeze, thanks to its plug-and-play design. With no complex settings or configurations required, you can enjoy the full suite of features right out of the box. Simply connect the cable and you're ready to experience the future of in-car entertainment. Never get lost again with the integrated global positioning system (GPS) and China Beidou satellite navigation system (BDS). Whether you're navigating urban jungles or remote countryside, Ainavi ensures precise positioning and accurate navigation, guiding you to your destination with confidence. Safety is paramount on the road, and the Ainavi Car radio takes it a step further with its support for advanced driving assistance system (ADAS) recorder functions. From recording driving data to providing collision warnings and other auxiliary functions, Ainavi enhances your driving safety and peace of mind. Powered by an 8-core processor, the Ainavi Car radio delivers lightning-fast performance and a smooth user experience. Multitasking becomes a breeze, and even the most demanding applications run seamlessly. Whether you're navigating through your favorite apps or streaming high-definition media, the Ainavi Car radio ensures optimal performance without any lags or slowdowns. The inclusion of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 chip is a testament to Ainavi's commitment to efficiency and longevity. Leveraging advanced process technology and energy-saving features, this chipset not only enhances performance, but also minimizes power consumption. Enjoy extended battery life without compromising on performance, ensuring uninterrupted usage during your daily commutes or long road trips.